This is how you install the Scotch-Brite mop head joint into its mop head in cases that it detached from the mop head accidentally. First, prepare to place the joint in this orientation. Take note the placing of the Scotch-Brite logo. Second step, insert first the outer end of the joint to the first hole of the mop head. Then gently press down the other side of the mop head to make an area for the other joint to fit on the second hole. Notice that the joint is still not totally fixed on the mop head. If you don't press the joint down, this can still be removed from the mop head. To avoid this is the correct way to totally lock it on the mop head. Repeat steps 1 and 2. Once you have inserted both joints to both holes in the mop head, press down the joint downward until you hear a snap. Then check if the joint is already fixed on the mop head and double check by rotating it on all sides.